In this video, I am going to share with you 5 of my top favorite typography books, and there are few more questions I'm going to answer. For example, a lot of time beginner designers or novice designers, they ask me that which book should I read first, because there are a lot of typography, you can say popular books on typography like Thinking with Type. So I am going to show you 2 books which you should start with, and that will be enough, and then you gradually switch on to the next books. So let's see what are those books. So first off, I am going to show you this book. This is Type Matters, and this is, I think, one of the best books for beginner designers. This is the book you should start with. So Type Matters, this is the book you should start with, and it is going to give you, I think it is the best book for the beginners. I have read like 4 books right now till yet, and planning to start the 5th one, but this one is the best among all of them. So these are actually notes. This designer, I think Jim Williams, he taught typography in different universities and things like that, and students, they started making notes, and this is the book now to for all the notes for all the different students. So this is the must-have book, Type Matters, and you should read it. Then the next one is Designing with Type, this book. So there's a lot of light. I'm not sure whether it is going to focus on it. Okay, so this is Designing with Type, and this is from James Craig, Irene Coral Scala. So this is also a book for beginners. If you are a beginner, you just started your career in designing, this is the book you should start with. So these are the 2 books you should read, this one and this one, Designing with Type and Type Matters. So these are the 2 books you are going to read. Okay, so once you finish these 2 books, or at least this one or maybe this one, both of them, I recommend both of them, you should go next to this book, Thinking with Type. It is a very popular book, Thinking with Type, and it is written by Ellen Lipton. She is very popular in typography and graphic design field. Then another one which is very popular is this one, The Elements of Typographic Style. Okay, so this is still packed. You can see I haven't started reading. This is the next one I'm going to read. I have finished this one and other 3 or 4, and one more book is in my list, and I'm going to show you the last one, which is this one. Okay, so Better Web Typography for a Better Web. If you are designing for websites or online, you can say dashboards or anything, or even if you are designing for mobile apps or something like that, digital designers, they are going to love it. It has a lot of code samples from different using different you can say detailed web typography. It is written by Matej Latin, and I have contacted this person a lot of times. This is one great book. Okay, so I'm going to show you again, Better Web Typography for a Better Web. Okay, yeah, that is the name. Okay, so this is another book. This is one of the, I think, one of the best books for if you have got the basics, then you can read this. This one is great. So these are all the books I have right now. I have ordered 1 or 2 more books, but I was not I was not liking their stuff. So these are the 5 books I recommend. If you can get and buy them, at least buy the first 2 I recommended, Designing with Type and Type Matters. These are the few basics you should or you must read. Okay, so if you have any comments or suggestions, you can ask me in the comments down below. If you like this video, do subscribe and press the bell button, I guess. I'm not sure. Anyhow, see you soon in the next video.